I'm sharing ZULAY Kitchen, the milk frother. Hi guys, today I'm sharing ZULAY Kitchen, the milk frother, ideal gadget for people who are either into the cappuccinos, the macchiato, or if you like to have a lot of smoothies, protein shakes and that kind of thing. So I think this comes in really handy, saves a lot of time and adds that, restaurant-like consistency, and somehow I feel it adds to the taste and the flavor as well. So guys, a lot of good things about this gadget: simple to use, easy to understand, lightweight, handy, compact, no storage issues as well. So if you're someone who's like always on a time crunch, it's not something very elaborate or like electricity operated, which you need to plug in or blah blah. This is battery operated, so the batteries go in here. It requires a AA battery, 2 of them, and there is just one like power button, the silver one, so you press it and it starts. So really convenient. Washing it is very simple, guys. You place it like beneath a tap, running water, and it just everything comes out easily. So guys, it's very simple. I'm just gonna hit the silver button, insert, dip this bit inside the milk, and then hit the button. So place it inside and then hit the silver button. Guys, here's the final thing. So guys, I would also consider it like a nice gift item for others, but anyways, it's like an amazing utility item as well. And this says it's a milk frother, but I think I would use it for like more things and fancy drinks, trying and create some delicious stuff at home and feel like I'm drinking something nice which is just being served in a cafe. Alright guys, that's all from my side for today. I'll see you again with yet another useful video. Bye bye.